Hi guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to make cartoon series with After Effects and DUIK BASSEL. Let's get started. So, character from Vectorial YouTube channel. You can go to Vectorial channel and learn how to make characters with Photoshop and Illustrators. Open this Student 2 composition and let's make rig. First step, select these hands, go to solo, make anchor point, and this layer, this, and this. Okay, and this move to here, anchor point. Okay. Then unsolo these layers. And select other layers, foot and hands. Okay. And unsolo again these layers. And finally main layers. Okay, this and this layer and this and this. Okay. So nice. Let's unsolo these layers and select this body, go to solo, make anchor point to down, and select these main layers, foot and hands, parent to this body. Select this body, press air, let's see. Okay, nice. Then let's make parents, select this, parent here and this. Again this layer, okay, and this layer, and this foot. Okay, let's again select this body, press air. Okay, nice. Then select body 2, go to solo, move to anchor point down. Let's unsolo, okay, then select here, go to solo, move to anchor point here. Then select this here, parent to body, and go to layer, new, null object. Move to up, this null object, and hold Ctrl, double click for move to anchor point center. Change scale, and change name. Face, control. Then select this eye close, eye black, eye open, nose and mouth. Okay, this is only face objects, and let's parent to this face control and select this face control, parent to this here. Let's see. Okay, go to solo, move to anchor point here. Let's see again. Okay. Nice. Then select this face control. Let's see. Okay. And select this eye close. Go to 3 keyframe. 1, 2, 3. And go to edit. Split layer. And delete. Select this eye close. Control D. Move to here. Again Control D. Move to here. 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 This is eye frame by frame eye close animation. Okay, let's see. Not bad. Then select this eye open and this eye close and this mode, nose, and click this icon and this icon for hide layers. Okay, nice. Then go to window, open DUIK BASSEL 2 and click ignore. Okay, and click this icon, select these hand layers and auto rig for create eye key. Let's see. Okay, we have problem. Let's Ctrl Z, select this layer. Okay, move to anchor point here. Again select these layers and auto rig eye key. Okay, nice. Script is worked. Okay, then select these layers, right hand, go to solo. Let's see parents. Okay, again we have problem. this parent. Let's move to here. Okay. Nice. Then select these layers and auto rig. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's unsolo and select this foot layer. Go to solo. Or we can select this table and hide. Okay. Anchor points is done. Let's select 3 layers and auto rig IK. Let's see. Okay, nice. And select this layer 4 again. Okay, we have problem again. Select this layer 4, go to solo and move to anchor point here. Okay, nice. Select again layers 4 and click auto rig IK. Nice. Okay, select body. Let's see. Nice. Okay, then select this body, parent to this body 2. Let's select body 2, press air. Okay, nice. Select this body, press air. Okay, very good. So let's hide layers. Select these foot layers and hand layers and click this icon for hide. We can use only controllers and some objects this character. Select this chair, lock, and this table, lock, and hide. Okay, nice. So thank you for watching my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Next tutorial I will show how to animate these characters, full animation with face animation and mouth animation, hand and foot, all body animation. Thank you and good luck.